On location with Lane.
Stampede is in full swing, and that means dressing up Western. We are at Goodwill on McLeod Trail talking about Stampede Fashions on a budget. Good morning, Penny. You are the summer brand ambassador with Goodwill Industries of Alberta. You guys have a ton of Western wear.
Yeah, all of our locations have a great selection of budget-friendly Western wear this season. I was able to thrift my outfit.
I love it.
Yeah.
It looks so cute. The dress, the belt, little boots as well. This is great for people who want to get into the spirit. People are so excited about Stampede this year, but they don't want to break the bank. And you've brought in some special brand ambassadors who've put together some Stampede outfits. Both these outfits come in at around 30 bucks or less. So I'm going to have you walk us through Mel's outfit.
Okay, so Mel started off with the classic Stampede hat, and then we got the shades to go along with it if you're outside, and then a beautiful floral dress that goes down to her feet, and we got the boots and the Western inspired belt as well.
Yeah, I think that looks great. We know the floral dresses are really on trend for Stampede. Terrific Western look. Let's go over to Eileen. I love her outfit and I love her pigtails too.
Yes, so Eileen got the flared denim jeans, which are one of my favorites right now, paired with a linen button-up top. Then we got our cowboy hat and then some brown shoes as well to put it all together.
Yeah, it looks great. What sort of tips do you have for people coming to put together a Western outfit? I guess budget for time too, because you kind of have to look around and find all of these treasures.
Yeah, I would say patience is key. You have to come in with some time, have an open mind, and really get creative with how you can make your Western outfit your own.
Right, well you have so much to choose from. Boy, denim shirts alone, so much stock here at Goodwill, but it is moving quite quickly. So if you still want to put together that Stampede outfit, you may want to pop in. We'll have more Stampede friendly styles on a budget coming up a little later this morning.
On location with Lane.
We are at Goodwill Industries checking out Stampede styles on a budget. Every store in the city has Stampede clothing in it for fantastic denim dresses, tops, cowboy hats, cowboy boots, Stampede fashions for men, women, kids. It's a real treasure trove, Penny. This is a great place to get ready for Stampede and to really look great, but without breaking the bank.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to be showing some DIY projects that I started to make.
Because if you don't find something that's exactly what you want, the price point is so good. You can buy a few things and personalize them, which you've done with some cutoffs. Now, very, very popular, of course, at Stampede, shorts, but you've done some things to make these more unique.
Yeah, so I actually was able to thrift this pattern of short from one of our tag sales last week, and sadly they didn't fit, but I still wanted to use the pattern. So I cut out the butt pockets and then used fabric glue, which I got super cheap from the dollar store or Michael's, and I just outlined the outsides. And you just push it down, and then it turns out like this.
And then you have shorts that absolutely nobody else in the city guaranteed has. And you've done it with some other really popular denim finds for Stampede. This is a super cute little skirt.
So then I decided to also get some fabric paint out, and I decided to paint this skirt.
You painted
with, my favorite color, pink.
Right.
And then we also had some stencils that we had at home. And I was like, why not we do some hearts on here? It's super easy for kids to do because you just get the sponge and the stencil.
Right, and personalize it.
I especially love thrifting here because of the sustainability aspect of it all. Right. Last year, Goodwill was able to divert 86% of waste from going into the landfills. And then also too, it's awesome to know that when I make a purchase, my dollar is going to something good. 90% or 90 cents of every dollar goes to supporting Albertans find meaningful employment.
Win, win, win. Awesome. Some great Stampede tips. Thanks so much, Penny.
On location with Lane.
Stampede Fashion's on a budget. That's what we're talking about this morning at Goodwill on McLeod Trail. We are talking denim shirts, jeans, boots, hats, and also budget-friendly Stampede Fashions for the whole family. Good morning.
Good
Penny,
morning.
you are the summer brand ambassador here at Goodwill Industries of Alberta, and we're talking about, you know, getting in the Stampede spirit, but not breaking the bank. You have lots of Western wear, and it's super budget friendly.
Yeah, so all of our stores are filled with a ton of options for Western wear, including Western wear for kids as well.
That's so fun. I love putting together the outfits for the kids, and you've managed to do it on a budget. And we have 3 adorable little cowpokes here with their Stampede Fashions. Let's start with Victoria. She looks terrific, and she is calling out Calgary with her hat. I love it.
Yeah, so I had the pleasure of shopping for this outfit with Victoria yesterday. We got her favorite color, pink, in the flannel. And then we have the jeans and some nice black boots that are also comfortable for her to wear as well.
Yeah, she'll wear those boots year round. Those are really cool. And that's what I love about this. A lot of these fashions, you know, we can repurpose it after Stampede. Okay,
Exactly.
Let's get to Zara. Hi, Zara. You look so pretty. Oh my goodness,
Yes.
adorable. Tell me about what she's wearing.
Well, of course, we got the beautiful pink boots on her. They fit perfectly, and she's ready to walk around all Stampede. And then we got the blue top with the blue jeans, and of course the blue
bandana. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, next over is Alexander, and I should mention he and Victoria are twins. That's really cool. Boy, he looks great. Look at your outfit.
Yeah, so Alexander was shopping with us yesterday as well. We got him some comfy black shoes, and then we got a perfect size jeans for him, and then we have the flannel, and it actually matches the star on his hat as well. We got the red and black going on.
Yeah, and I love the backpack too. You guys look terrific. Visit goodwill.ab.ca for more information.
On location with Lane.
All morning, we've been here at Goodwill on McLeod Trail talking about budget-friendly Stampede outfits. They have everything: cowboy boots, hats, denim shirts, jeans, you name it. We've had so much fun seeing the fashions, but Goodwill does so much more. They divert so much waste from our landfills, and they are such an important community connector with people with disabilities. Good morning, Joanna. You are the mission business partner here at Goodwill. Tell me about that and how Goodwill helps people in our community.
Hello, good morning. So, well, first of all, we would like to thank the community for all the support and their donations, because thanks to all that, we are capable of hiring more and more Albertans with disability, not only providing them the supports, but also the tools to make sure that they achieve their long-term career goals.
That is so important. I wanted to mention too, your outfit thrifted here at Goodwill.
Yes.
You look amazing.
Thank you so
I
much.
wanted to talk to you. Thank you, Joanna. An employee here at Goodwill. I'm learning a little bit about her. Lexi's outfit thrifted here from Goodwill. Lexi, how long have you been at Goodwill?
I've been here for 2 years.
Right. And tell me about your job and what you love about it.
I'm a sales associate here, and I love putting out the clothes.
And talking to people, helping people.
Yes.
I think I would come to you for fashion advice.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look terrific. Thanks so much, Lexi. So it's really such a win. It's a win on your wallet, a win for our community. Thrifting here at Goodwill. They still have lots of Western wear at all of their stores. For more information, visit goodwill.ab.ca.